Hello friends, I would like to invite you to the seed swapping. Seed swapping is pretty much a seed exchange when you bring your own seeds and I bring my seeds and we exchange the seeds with each other. By exchanging the seeds, we share our stories. Every seed holds a story of growth, a story of taking care of the plant, a story of survival of the plant within this certain ecological environment, and the story of heritage. So I believe by organizing and participating in these seed swapping events, we preserve our heritage. We build our local communities. You might be wondering, why would I bother to share my own seeds? I can simply go to the store and buy the seeds, or I can order from the wide variety of the seeds in the catalog. But please stay with me, and I hope I will encourage you to think more about self-sufficiency, self-reliance, and pretty much independence from all of these commercial suppliers, and more reliance on yourself, your own land, your own community, and building trust between us in our own local community. If you're a beginner food gardener, I invite you to participate in the seed swapping and bring the seeds that you can buy in a store. I was surprised to see these seeds in Dollarama for $1 per 3 packs. These are just normal seed packs that contain normal amount of seeds in each of them. For example, this is a pack of lettuce, and it has enough seeds for you to grow lettuce pretty much all season long. And for example, this pack of cucumbers has, I can say, about 10 seeds. And also you will have a chance to obtain hardy and local grown seeds, which are more reliable than the ones that you buy in a store, because you don't know what is the origin of those seeds, whether they were, or maybe they might have been imported. But when you exchange the seeds with the experienced gardeners who bring open pollinated seeds, you will learn how to start collecting your own seeds this year. If you are advanced food gardener, you might be interested to learn, what do your peeps grow? Maybe they grow different varieties than you do, and you might be interested to obtain those varieties to grow in your garden this year. Also, we experienced gardeners tend to collect the seeds from our own open pollinated plants. This way, we build our own heirloom collection. Sharing our heirloom seeds, we encourage others to do the same in their own gardens. Now I should tell you about the rules of the trade. Let's say each of us brings the packs. If you don't bring commercially bought packs like these ones, let's agree that when you make your own pack, like this or this one, you portion the seeds equal to the commercial amount. If the cucumber pack contains, say, 10 seeds, and you bring your own cucumber packs, portion 10 seeds in one pack, but that you bring with yourself. I think that would be just fair between those who bring the commercially bought packs with the ones that we collect from our own gardens. When you bring your own pack, write down as much information as possible. At least the common name and variety of the seed. Say this one is cucumber national pickling, and the year when you collected these seeds. As a bonus, please write down any information that you might find useful. Say what makes this variety unique and any tips for growth. Don't hesitate to bring as many packs as you want, any packs that you have in excess, because any leftover seed packs will be contributed to starting up our community seed bank or seed vault, so that next year, before the next year, even the overall the season, we will have this seed supply to resource from for succession planting or for companion planting too. And as a conclusion, I would like to remind you that while doing the seed exchange, we promote our local seed diversity, we learn about regionally adapted varieties, and overall, collectively, we develop our resilient food supply. So again, welcome to the Seed Swap, and if you like to learn more about growing your own seeds and seedlings, subscribe to my channel, Garden How To, and leave the comment below. Tell me, what is your challenge right now and where I can help you with growing your own food. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.